The light that never spoke. In a small village surrounded by hills and a quiet river, there lived a man who never spoke much. Every morning, before the sun fully rose, he walked the same narrow path, past old mud houses, through tall grass wet with dew, and toward a small field near the river. He worked alone. No one ever saw his face clearly, only his steady movements and tired hands. People in the village barely noticed him. Some thought he was poor. Some thought he was strange. Most simply didn't care. One winter, the river flooded. Crops were destroyed, food became scarce, and darkness settled into the village like a heavy fog. Children cried at night. Elders worried in silence. That same winter, villagers began finding strange things at their doors. A basket of vegetables, a sack of rice, dry firewood stacked neatly. No name, no message, just help. At first, people thought it was luck, but the help kept coming, every cold morning, every hard night. One evening, an old woman followed the muddy footprints left behind in the snow. They led to a small, broken hut near the river. Inside, she saw the quiet man. The hut was empty. No extra food, no warm blankets, no comfort. He had been giving away almost everything he had. The woman's voice trembled. "Why do you help everyone when you have so little?" The man paused, then gently placed wood into the fire. "I know how it feels," he said softly, "to wait for help that never comes. I promised myself, if I ever had even a little, I would never let someone feel that pain again." The next morning, the village changed. People worked together. Food was shared. Doors stayed open. And the quiet man? He didn't become famous. He didn't ask for thanks. But the village never felt cold again. Life lesson. Some people don't teach with words. They teach with sacrifice. And the greatest light in life is often the one that never asks to be seen.